Guys, just look at this Instagram page. This reel has 58 million views, and almost all the reels on this page are getting millions of views. And by uploading the same type of reels, this page has gained 272,000 followers. So today, I'm going to teach you how to create these types of videos, step by step, so don't miss any step. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. So, to create these types of videos, first of all, you have to open ChatGPT. Then you have to paste this prompt into the chat box. You will find this prompt in the description box. In the prompt, you will get a subject option. Here you can write whichever animal you want to create the video on. For example, I created one on a cat. You can create on lion, dog, monkey, gorilla, or any animal you want. Simply write it here. I'll write fluffy Persian cat here. After that, you just have to enter the prompt. And as soon as you enter it, according to the scenes of your full video, image, and video prompts will automatically be generated together. After generating the prompt, the next step is to generate images. So, for that, we will use Gemini, so you have to search Gemini on Google and open this site. Then an interface like this will open in front of you. Here, first you have to click on Create Image, then go to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it here, then press Enter. It will take a little time, and your image will be generated. As you can see, our first image has been successfully generated. I'll download it. Now you have to generate all your images by following the same process, one by one. I'll generate the rest of my images here. Now all my images have been generated. The next step is to animate the images. For that, we will use Flow AI. So now you simply have to go to Google, search Google Flow, and click on this site. Then, if you haven't logged in, log in first, and after that, a structured interface will open in front of you here. You have to click on New Project, and since we want to convert images into video, you need to select Frames to Video and set the ratio to 9:16. Then you have to click on Start and upload the first image, and click on End to upload the second image. After uploading the images, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it here, and press Enter. In a few moments, it will successfully generate your video. As you can see, the result of our video looks really good. I'll download it, and if you are finding the video useful and understanding the full process, then make sure to like the video. It motivates me to create more videos for you. Then you have to follow the same process perfectly and animate all your images. I'll animate all my images here and download all the clips. Now the last part of our video is left, video editing, which is very easy. For editing, you have to open your favorite editor. I'm using CapCut here. Here, click on Import and import all your clips, then arrange them in the proper sequence. If you want to cut any part or adjust the speed of clips, you can easily do that. I'll make a few adjustments here, and now our video is successfully complete. If you didn't understand anything or have any problem, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply to everyone. And if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.